Please turn to page 764 in your student book. We have been working on mechanics, so we're going to look at what are the mechanics of writing. Now remember, mechanics refers to the correct use of capitalization and punctuation. Capitalization should be used for proper nouns like titles and names of historical events. Documents, languages, names, states, and nationalities are also proper nouns that need to be capitalized. Correct punctuation must always be used at the end of a sentence. Apostrophes are needed in contractions and possessive nouns, and a comma is needed in a compound sentence. Okay, so here's just some examples. The Amazon River Basin, this is the name of a place, is home to the largest rainforest on Earth. Well, this is our planet, again, needs to be capitalized. Why haven't, there's an apostrophe for the contraction, you read the book, The Great Kapok Tree? This is a title, and then we have our punctuation, question mark. Ty and Nan are names. Read it, comma, and then here we have our compound sentence here, but I have not read any of the author's books. This is a possessive noun. The books belong to the authors, so then we have an apostrophe. Okay, you are going to pause the video and try this. You're going to write the sentences below, capitalize the proper nouns, and add any end punctuation, commas, and apostrophes that are needed in these 5 sentences. So pause the video, write these on a piece of lined paper, and work through these examples with your learning adult, and come back to the video when you're done. Page 765. Readers will have an easier time reading and understanding your writing if you use correct capitalization and punctuation. Errors in capitalization and punctuation may confuse your readers, and they might not understand what you mean. So here are some examples of incorrect capitalization and punctuation. My aunt's newest book is called The Strangest River. We have it underlined, but that sentence really should read, my aunt's, it belongs to her, it's possessive, comma, okay, it needs this apostrophe, not a comma, and then The Strangest River is the title of the book. And because the starts the title, it does need to be capitalized. So that definitely makes more sense to me as the reader. Here, it's a story about an unusual mammal called the platypus. How would you react to an animal that looks like a cross between a beaver and a duck? No punctuation. How is capitalized, so we know that it starts a new sentence. So it is again a possessive noun, a story about an unusual mammal called the platypus, period. And then this last part is asking us a question. So are connecting to writing. As you proofread your research report, correct any errors in capitalization or punctuation that you might find. We're going to continue to practice on page 334. It gives you, again, when you're writing someone's exact words, you use quotation marks, you capitalize the first word of a quotation mark. It just gives you all the things that you need to do when you are writing. Okay, they have an example here. You are going to rewrite each quotation, add punctuation and capital letters that are needed. So, my computerized teacher is broken, said Margie. Okay, these are exact words that she's saying. So we need to add quotation marks in front of my, and then it ends here at broken, but we need our comma, and then quotation marks, said Margie, period. Okay? Work through the rest of these. This is kind of a review in terms of we have talked about quotation marks and how we need to set off people's exact words. So go through these and have your learning adult check your work.